Alright, let's go ahead and install this Cybertruck-style grille light kit on your Tesla vehicle. Start by laying out all the light modules. Take the first light and feed its wiring through the factory grille. Then snap the light into place. Grab the next module, connect one end to the previous light's wire, feed the other end through the grille, and clip it in. Just keep repeating this process until all the lights are installed across the grille. You've got some flexibility here. You can space them out however you like. Or even change the number of lights depending on your setup. Just make sure all the wiring is tucked inside the grille and everything is securely connected. Once all the lights are mounted, open up the frunk. Remove the panel under the windshield. Take out the frunk mat and pull off the trim pieces along the bottom on both sides. Remove the 4 screws. Then the 2 screws under the windshield panel. Take out the rubber plug on the driver's side. Lift the frunk tub slightly and disconnect the frunk latch connector. Next, remove the tow hook cover. Take the power adapter harness and feed it through the grille. Then connect it to the light modules and tuck the wiring out of sight. Route the other end of the harness through the gap near the upper left side of the tow hook area and into the frunk. Reinstall the tow hook cover. Next, grab the power adapter harness. Twist the red wire from the adapter together with the vehicle's red-blue wire. Then insert it into the connector clip and tighten it clockwise. Do the same with the black wire. Connect it to the vehicle's brown-blue wire, insert it into the clip, and tighten it down securely. Clean up and hide any extra wiring so it looks factory installed. Before putting everything back, test the lights to make sure they power on correctly. Finally, reassemble everything. Reconnect the frunk latch plug. Reinstall the rubber plug. Tighten all screws. Put the trim panels and frunk mat back in place. And that's it. Your grille light kit is fully installed and ready to light up the front end.